Fenugreek offers several benefits for hair health, including promoting your hair growth, reducing dandruff, adding shine, and potentially reducing hair fall. It is so rich in nutrients like protein and nicotinic acid, which can stimulate follicle growth and strengthen your hair strength. Fenugreek also have antifungal and antibacterial, which helps to combat dandruff. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For returning subscribers, welcome. I love you guys. If you're here to subscribe, come on, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. So sit back, enjoy this video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your fenugreek hair protein. It is so affordable, very cheap, very affordable, and you can do it in the comfort of your room. Okay, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Enjoy, guys. For your fenugreek protein treatment, you need an empty cup, you need water, you need fenugreek seed. So guys, when I say affordable, I mean super affordable. I got this cup of fenugreek for 515 naira in Nigeria at a supermarket close to me, and this is going to be my fourth time of using it. You don't need too much of it, right? You just need a little of it. You add your water to your cup, you add your fenugreek to it, just a little of it, because after the next day is going to double in size, so you don't even need too much of it, just little, and you are good to go. You don't have any excuse for not doing your protein treatment, guys. This is really important. Protein treatment is very important for your hair growth, for your hair growth journey, especially those on natural hair that really want to grow their hair. Go for this and you appreciate me later. Let's start. First, I added I didn't use my teaspoon, so I was careful not to add too much because it's going to be a waste. So what I did was that I just added little, just measure with your eyes. I'll say measure with your eyes. Don't add too much. That's the secret. And if you feel you've added too much and you don't want it to waste, just refrigerate it. You can always go back to use it whenever you want to use it. But if you have issues with light in your area, or you don't want to refrigerate it because the smell is not so nice, yeah, so you can just do it this way. Add little, put your cup of water. So I added little, just little cup of water here, and I kept it till the next day. So you are going to see the difference between this time and the next day. By the next day, it was already should I say doubled. The size of the fenugreek in the water has doubled its size, yeah. So to the extent that I had to add extra water to it because it was so thick and I don't want it to be too thick. You need to be careful with fenugreek or fenugreek treatment. If you use it too much, it is going to break your hair. If you don't follow up with serious heavy moisturizing, it is going to so break your hair, because when you have too much of protein in your hair, it breaks your hair. So it's like you are trying to maintain, you are trying to be in the middle. You don't want to do too much and you don't want to do too little, so you have to be in the middle. So look at it now, it's already the next day, and guys, it is already so thick. Look at little fenugreek I poured. Look at what we have now, right? So you see the reason why I said you don't need too much of this, yeah. So I added more water to it so that I can get the consistency I want and I can have enough liquid to work with, yeah. So the next thing I did was that I got a spray bottle and a plastic bag to use cover my hair after my protein treatment. Also, while pouring your liquid, your protein liquid into your spray bottle, make sure that the seed doesn't follow. You don't need the seed. Some people later blend the seed and use it on their hair for the protein treatment. I use just the water because that's enough, right? Also, make sure you have your plastic bag around, or you have your shower cap around. I couldn't find my shower cap. I looked for that, I didn't see it, so I just opted for a plastic bag, which also worked. It worked perfectly. Yeah, so you cover up. After applying my protein treatment to my hair, I covered my hair for 30 minutes, and that was it. You can go as far as an hour, but I will advise after an hour, please kindly wash it off. And when you are washing it off, make sure you don't wash with shampoo, because you already washed hair with shampoo the previous day. Yeah, so make sure you don't wash hair with shampoo. You wash, rather you use your conditioner, your rinse out conditioner. Yeah, very, very important. Use your rinse out conditioner to wash out the protein treatment. Make sure you wash it really well. Don't leave anyone in. Wash it very well, and then you apply your hair butter. Your hair butter can be shea butter, it can be any other type of butter, but I prefer shea butter mixed with some special oil. So if you've been watching my videos, you would have seen a video that I made concerning I made on how I made my hair cream, my hair butter. So you can go watch that as well, so you can know the kind of hair butter I use. My hair butter is so beautiful. So I use my hair butter, and guys, I styled my hair. It was really, the result was really amazing. So guys, you can do this as well if you don't want to break the bank just to get a protein treatment. This is a very cheap, affordable protein treatment that works perfectly well. It works so well, right? So enjoy the video. Please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, support me, help me grow. And I really appreciate those that have subscribed and are still coming back to watch my video. You guys are the real G. You guys are my real G. Thank you so much. So enjoy the video. Love you guys.